So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to save Docusign files to Dropbox using Zapier. So firstly, log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. Search for and select Docusign as your trigger app. Choose Envelope Completed as your trigger event. This ensures documents are only archived once all parties have fully signed. Now link your Docusign account. Run a quick data test to pull in a recent completed envelope and click Continue. Now, add a new step to your Zap. Then search for and select Dropbox as your action app. Choose Upload File as your action event and link your target Dropbox account to map your file parameters like folder, file, and file name. Now all you have to do is just click Test Action to verify that the PDF instantly drops into your Dropbox account, then switch your Zap to On. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.